Hi students, in this video we will discuss program to find max element of the array, that is the maximum element of the array or greatest element of the array. So here in the list of elements we have the elements like 20, 30, 25, 50, 40. So by seeing this we can say that the 50 is the greatest element. Now how to write a program to find greatest element of the array? Here what we do here is initially we assume that the first element is the greatest element, that is we will assign. So here we will assume the first element is the greatest element, that is max equal to a of 0, because by default max contains garbage value, so we will store that first element in the max element. Then what we do here is then we will compare this max with the remaining elements of the array. If any element is greater than the max element, then that value will be assigned to max. Now initially, now the max value is, what is the value of max? A of 0 means max value will be 20. Now what we do here, we will compare in this way. So 30, a of 1 means 30. 30 greater than 20, yes. So among these two numbers, which is the greatest number? 30. So 30 will be stored in max. Next again we will, now max value is 20. Again we will compare with the next number 25. 25 greater than max. What is the present max value? 30. So 25 greater than 30, false. So that value will not be assigned. So among three numbers, which is the greatest number? 30. Now the next number is 50. 50 greater than max, yes. So this 50 will be assigned to max. Now the value of max is 50. That is among first four numbers, the greatest number is 50. Then again we will compare with 40. 40 greater than 50, false. So then 50 will be stored. Now all the elements have been completed. So what is the value available in max? 50. So we can say that this is the greatest element. The code here is max equal to a of 0. Then for, because 0 already we have stored, so we will start from 1. I less than 5 or the number of elements I plus plus. Then the condition here is if a of I greater than max, that a of I will be assigned to max. Then after coming out of the loop, display max element. It gives you the greatest element of the array. Now let us see the execution of this program. So I will trace and show you the program. Please see the complete program. Now here you can see the code. Here I am declaring an array with 5 elements. Then I comma max, this is the code for accepting the elements into the array. Then max equal to a of 0, that is first element I am storing in max. So if a of I greater than max, that value will be assigned to max. After completion of the loop, the max element will be displayed onto the screen. Okay, let me trace and show you the program. Right, so initially take an array with an array. Initially it contains garbage values, then I value you can use, then a of I as well as max. Then first accept the elements into the array. So enter a of 0th element, we have entered 20, then a of 1 30, then a of 2 25, then a of 3 50, then a of 4 40, or you can take any elements of your choice. So initially we are assuming that first element is the greatest element, that is max equal to a of 0. What is a of 0? 20. The 20 will be assigned to max now. Then for I equal to 1, now I value is 1. 1 less than 5, s enters into this block. A of I greater than max. What is a of 1? I value is 1. A of 1 is 30. 30 greater than 20, s. So enters into this block. If then a of I, that 30 will be assigned to max, meaning among first two numbers 30 is the greatest number. Then after that a of I, now what is a of I? 25. 25 greater than 30, false. meaning among first three numbers 30 is greater. Now next I value is 3. A of 3 is 50. 50 greater than 30, yes. So that 50 is assigned to max, meaning among four numbers, first four numbers, 50 is greater. Now A of I is 40. Max is 50. 40 greater than 50, false. Then it comes out of the loop when I value becomes 5. Then max element. What is the value in max? 50. So displays the result 50 onto the screen. Okay, this is how to find the greatest element of the array. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.